Today I'm going to show you how to make a Lego pirate ship. What you'll need is this heart-shaped piece, a cylinder, a stick, an heart-shaped piece, another heart-shaped piece, a triangle piece, and you get your cylinder, you get your stick, and you pop them together like that, and it will look like that. Then you get your cone and your heart-shaped piece, and then you pop it on the heart-shaped piece, and it will look something like that. And you get your flagpole, and you get your flag, and you stick it on like that, and it'll look like that. And then you'll get your other heart-shaped piece, and you pop it on just there. And then it will start looking a bit like that. You get your flagpole and you place it in the middle, and it will start looking a bit like that. Bye, thanks for watching.